Seen some rain showers across the area this afternoon, evening. Still a little bit out there. Temperatures sitting at 36 for Knoxville, Maryville. Much warmer to the south with mid to upper 40s. Some warm air will slowly drift northward overnight, so some of these temperatures will climb a few degrees and then will kind of level off the way it looks as we go through the day. So this is all just some light rain shower activity sliding to the east. In fact, some of it's a heavy drizzle because we do have some reduced visibility due to fog out there. Let's take a look at 6 predictor from where we are right now. We'll go into the morning hours. You can see the steadier rain chances are moving out. We'll start out first thing on Wednesday morning with still maybe some patchy drizzle in some spots. The bigger issue could be some fog. Now there is a dense fog advisory for Cumberland and Fentress County till 12 Central Time or 1 Eastern Time in the morning. But there is fog elsewhere across the area, and we're seeing that. Reduced visibilities near 0 in Manorville, Kingston, 1 Oak Ridge, Knoxville, Maryville, Gatlinburg, even Mount LeConte to about a half a mile. And I think this fog is going to kind of ebb and flow across the area as we go into early Wednesday morning. So just keep that in mind when you step out the door. Don't forget the jacket. It will be a cool start. People have been asking, will we see a freeze overnight tonight? I do think the majority of us will stay above the freezing mark as we head into early tomorrow morning, so I'm not expecting to see that first thing in the morning. Let's go through the afternoon. Again, mainly cloudy, maybe some passing sprinkles or areas of drizzle. This is through lunchtime, but notice our temperatures really aren't changing much. We're sitting at about 38 degrees here at noon, and it's a little cooler across the plateau. Temperatures will drop off late afternoon into the evening as this colder air pushes in, and it's going to squeeze out that last bit of moisture in the form of maybe a snowflake mixed with a raindrop here. This is 6 o'clock in the evening, and then the darker purple is some snow heading over to the mountains. So yes, there could be a few flakes flying, but I don't expect this to be a huge concern across the area. In fact, amounts look very light. By a coating, we're talking about a trace amount, right? Maybe just enough for a car top or a rooftop the way it's looking, but it does look like road temperatures will be a little too warm. Highest peaks of the Smokies above about 4,000 feet, maybe up to an inch of snow. Speaking of those road surface temperatures, this is tomorrow afternoon at 3. We are all above the freezing mark. Moisture starting to move out in the evening. This is 7. So where we still have those snow opportunities east, roads are still above the freezing mark. And then by the time the moisture is gone, that's when it gets a little colder. So if there are still some standing areas of snow or ice, yeah, it could be an issue as we go Wednesday into Thursday because it's going to be cold. Temperatures in the teens and 20s early Thursday morning. Then by the afternoon, we'll get above freezing, but some just barely. Mid to upper 30s, if not close to 40 degrees. So when does it actually warm up? That's going to be a little bit later. Friday, we will be close to 50 degrees, but the wind will be on the brisk side, so it's still going to feel a little cooler out there. A brief cool down Saturday, but we'll see more sunshine. It's kind of a trade-off, right? Then upper 40s Sunday, and we're talking low to mid 50s by the time we get into next week. So we're actually going to see a nice warming trend, and fingers crossed, we could actually see some 60s for the second half of next week if things pan out.